Hello guys, my name is Emre Keleş. I'm an EEE student at Bilkent University and this is my 212 term project. My project aims to simulate a parking garage where my project utilizes one infrared sensor, one 16:2 LCD module, two servos as you can see here and here, one exit servo and one entrance servo, and it also uses a simple button to simulate people paying a parking fee. Let us begin the simulation. Here the car approaches to the parking garage and the infrared sensor senses it and acts like a car enter the parking lot, and the LCD module displays a message free space, displays the free space number, the parking lot, and in the beginning it was 4 and now 3. Let us assume when one other car enters the parking lot. Here you can see the servo motor, the sensor triggered, and it sends a signal to the servo motor, enters servo motor, and the motor brings up the barrier. Here let us simulate no parking lot available scenario. Here we have 2 spaces left and one other car approaches. Also in the second row, as you can see, a welcome message is displayed, and we have left with 1 space only. And let us simulate again. As you can see, it says zero free space, and when I trigger the sensor, nothing happens. And also it is because it's interrupt driven in the code. When I trigger the sensor again, the second row displays full and no space message. Because the code uses interrupt sequences, when the sensor triggers, it enters the interrupt sequence and tries to execute the sequence. But when we have no space left, we enter the interrupt, but we checked if any space left or not. If a space available, sensor sends the signal. The interrupt sequence sends the signal to the servo motor, and the motor rotates. If there are no space left, even we enter the interrupt sequence, we check the car parking lot available, and if not, the servo doesn't rotate. And let me simulate the exit button. We assume that one car here tries to exit the 1 second. Exit the parking lot, and the person press the button, and the exit servo rotates. Here we go again. We assume a second car exits the parking lot, and it says in the second row, just like in the entrance case, fee is paid. When we entered, it displays the welcome message, and when we exit, it says the fee is paid, because we assume when we press the button, the person pays the parking lot fee. And yeah, I think that is all I'm going to say about my project. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.